Hi, I'm Shannon from the WVU Medicine Center for Joint Replacement, here to talk to you about safety and avoiding falls. Once you're home, recuperation may take anywhere from 6 to 12 weeks, so prepare your home ahead of time to make sure it is a safe environment for avoiding falls. Pick up all throw rugs and tack down loose carpeting. Be aware of floor hazards, such as pets, small objects, or uneven surfaces. Provide good lighting throughout your home. Install night lights in bathrooms, bedrooms, and hallways. Keep extension and phone cords out of pathways and do not run wires under rugs. This is a fire hazard. Do not wear open-toed slippers or shoes without backs. They do not provide adequate support and can lead to slips and falls. Sit in chairs with arms. It makes it easier to get up. Rise slowly from either sitting or lying positions so you do not get lightheaded. Do not lift heavy objects for the first 3 months and then only with your surgeon's permission. Remember, stop and think and use good judgment.